Yo, what's up everybody? Hope you're doing very well. Today's date is now April the 30th here in the Philippines, a Wednesday, a beautiful 1:30 p.m. I've only got 5 days left here in the Philippines and then heading back home to Turkey. And then after that, I plan to trade full-time harder than I've ever traded before, especially with the Platinum tier group where I live stream my desktop and everybody that watches it, they're going to be able to catch every single trade of mine. I've spent a lot of time developing new strategies that are adapting to these changing landscapes in crypto. As you guys know, a lot of the older strategies needed to be revised and optimized, like how they do every single year. Otherwise, you just end up getting left behind entirely. So make sure you guys are checking this out, all right? 50% off sale till May 5th. That's when I get back home and I start trading full time. 50% off sale off the Philakone's Art of Scalping, my golden playbook. I finally created a scalping course because people are asking for it. I never made one before because I thought it would be just too difficult for people to understand from a beginner level. But now that many people are intermediate and also advanced traders in my group, I said, let's go. The course is officially complete. Check out the link below, guys. There are 3 different tiers in my platinum or in my Discord group. The first tier is just a standard premium tier. They get access to charts and just a few basic calls here and there. The elite tier is where it picks up a lot. Higher engagement, higher quality posts, detailed videos with trading calls and signals. But the platinum tier, that's where you want to be. That's where I live stream my desktop and I call every single trade. You get a chance to basically trade directly with me like I was your mentor. You can ask questions anytime you want and I'm there for you. So if you were to purchase this, guys, you're getting quite a bit of benefits. Let me just tell you about it, okay? Really quickly, then we move on to the charts for Bitcoin. All people who are not a Discord member or the basic member, they get a lifetime membership automatically in my Discord group. That's wild. If you're a current lifetime member already, but only a basic member, you get upgraded to elite tier for life. That's crazy. And then the elite tier, they're going to get to join me for 2 weeks to live trade in the platinum tier. And then the platinum tier, they get 2 extra weeks in the platinum tier to trade with me. So this 50% off sale is $200 down to $250, guys. That's it. I'm not going to have a 50% off sale like this again. This is the course you want to learn. You know why? Because Bitcoin's eventually going to break out of here. And you guys better know how to trade, man. Because if it's the only way, you think the only way to extract money in the market is to invest, you're definitely very, very wrong. Okay, you're gonna have to learn how to extract capital from the market in multiple ways, whether it's investing or swinging or even day trading and scalping, which is what I do. I'll be holding longer term swing positions and I'll be day trading to extract maximum potential. So let me just show you guys how Bitcoin is doing right now. It's doing very well. It looks like it's about to break out. And that's why this course, I'm telling you, man, if you don't know how to day trade, you're going to be left behind. And the potential to make profit in this market, it's getting higher and better every single day because the market conditions are changing. Yes, I am still bearish to the point where maybe, guys, just maybe we're going to get like a double top or a high and then smash down. We don't know. But just based off of like, I'm a bit more bearish medium to longer term. But it doesn't change the fact that short term, I'm very bullish. So please understand the difference between short, medium, and also long term. And that's going to help you understand your bias. So right now, we ended up trending down like that for 81 days. 81 days straight drop down. And then it made a lower high pattern that finally broke to the upside. So it's looking phenomenal right now. And right now, it looks like we're finishing up a third wave, right? This is the third wave where it's trying to break. And the best news is the third wave barely even dropped to the downside. So if this is right, this is like a 1, a 2 somewhere. This is probably a 3 somewhere. That's a 4 somewhere. And it looks like it's trying to make a 5 for now. Okay, the goal is to make 5 impulse waves and then eventually have one wave coming down like this and then a massive wave going upwards. That would be wonderful. And maybe it's going to make more impulse waves where this is like a third wave, just as an example. Fourth wave and then a fifth wave goes up to like 150K or something like that. So the days are looking really, really beautiful ahead of us. This first wave is looking amazing. So as soon as we hammer 95K, I mean, the next logical place for Bitcoin to end up hitting is about 100K, just a psychological 100,000 or 99,500 level. These are going to be incredible places for us to get to. And I'm getting very, very excited about that, because once we get there, guys, it's just going to start flying. And the potential for altcoins to get carried is getting higher and higher every day. Let me just show you how good we're looking right now for the market cap, okay? So the market cap looks great. It also made this lower high pattern where it ended up breaking upwards. We ended up bouncing from over here, which is the March 14th high. So the March 14th high of 2024 was really important, because that's where Bitcoin reached 74K, and we broke below it, but now we're back above it. As you guys can see, it was just a gigantic trap, and now we're at the next resistance. Okay, this is a very important resistance for market cap. Once this resistance gets taken out, right, we're at it right now. See that? See this right here? We're there right now. Once this gets taken out, we are going to absolutely fly. So I'm very excited right now. The altcoin market is also picking up. We ended up bouncing extremely nicely over here, and then there again, and then we fell below there. Okay, we fell below the March 14 high. We hit here, but guess what? We ended up breaking back up above it. So it's looking very, very bullish. As long as we can stay above here for a little bit longer, maybe we're going to have some typical bad May, June, July months, or June, July, August months. Like sometimes in summer, it can get pretty bad. But then after the summer, near the end of the year, that's where it starts to pick up so much, and the bull market just ends up continuing parabolically to the upside. So despite me being bearish, medium to longer term, doesn't change the fact that some coins like Alpaca, they soared to the moon. If you guys knew the strategies that I'm using now, you would have been able to caught this. If I was trading this coin, I would have caught this 100% with the new strategies that I've developed. Okay, even for example, on Elliott Wave, right, if you wanted to short that, this was a very easy wave to short. But unfortunately, I'm on vacation, a forced time off, where my lady and I, we're going to just end up enjoying the rest of the Philippines for the little times that we have left here, okay? That would have been a very, very easy short to catch. But of course, I'm not going to reveal all my strategies here. But as you guys know, that's what I specialize in. I specialize in shorting the market. I specialize in catching tops. Even though this coin was moving like 141% for this wave, using many of the strategies I use, like Kernel with bearishly divergent MACD and RSI and Elliott Wave Theory especially, that's what I specialize in. It would have been pretty easy to catch this coin, right? So it's really important to learn a lot of new strategies that are going to allow you to adapt to these markets that are changing so much right now. And the market is wild. If you take a look at the end of the month over here, you can see that these coins, like if I go to monthly, for example, what you're going to see is, take a look at the market, guys. It's gone crazy. Like, take a look at when I sort it, right? Some coins like Alpaca this month, it did 1,508%. And then Broccoli, right? Broccoli Life, it ended up doing 184%. And then you can see Alchemist, look at the Ergo, Nero, look at all these coins, guys, for the month that moved up hundreds of percents. The question is, did you guys catch any of it? If you didn't catch any of it, man, I really suggest you guys pick up my course. You're going to end up catching a lot more trades than you'd like or that you could handle. So this month has been absolutely wild going to the upside, right? Broccoli was one of the most profitable coins that we were trading. Alchemist, Ergo, Nero, Philakone is by far one of my favorite coins, and always has been, because it's just so reliable for how it was making these fifth wave formations. So because of that, I'm a big fan of Philakone. I think that there's going to be maybe a correction soon for Philakone, right? But this coin has been just super reliable. Philakone was one of the best moving coins, 493% from March. So got to really up your level, guys. You know, like right now, it's going to be time to start DCing, right? If you haven't started DCing yet, got to really start considering it. You can see a lot of coins like the big giants, right? They're definitely starting to hold very well. I think there might be a small dip, and on any dip, it's just time to DCA. I think that Ethereum's eventually going to go to the moon. It's just a matter of time. There's this chart called BTC versus ETH. Okay, so BTC versus Ethereum is actually starting to lose momentum. BTC versus ETH is the ratio of the price of Bitcoin versus the price of Ethereum, or divided by the price of Ethereum. So if it ends up dropping, right? So if it goes upwards, it means Bitcoin's outperforming Ethereum by a lot, right? In terms of ratio. But if it drops, it means that Ethereum is starting to pick up. So you can actually start seeing that Bitcoin is like, there's a 10% drop in this ratio. So this ratio shows that Ethereum is starting to do fairly well, or starting to pick up even more very soon. Okay. And then you can see that like even coins like XLM, like they're starting to gain ground. Do you guys see that? From the beginning of April, they're starting to gain, right? SUI is doing very, very well. One of the best performing like top coins at 127%. So I'm very, very excited about that. Polygon ended up doing very well too. So the question is, guys, like, are you DCing, right? Are you DCing? Are you learning how to day trade? Are you finding ways to maximize the potential for you to extract profits in this market? Because if you're not, it's time to start. Because I promise you guys that there's a very limited window. When the market starts moving, the window is like just months. And there's no time to learn after that. There's no time to, like, it's the final exam. You've had many tests. You've had tons of homework. This is the mother effing final exam for you guys to extract the potential last profits in the market before we go into probably like a mega super cycle correction. And I'm warning you guys right now that it's more important than ever to be involved in this crypto market and to get serious. So when I go back to Turkey and I start trading full time, my Discord group is the place that you want to be. It's where you want to be. And anytime you pick up this package of mine for the scalping course, you get to be a member of the Discord group for life. No matter what tier you're in, you're pretty much going to get a lifetime membership. Okay, guys? So make sure you check out the link below. I can't wait to update you guys more when I get back to Turkey. My energy and my enthusiasm for crypto, I thought it would keep dying after being in it for 10 years. But after being in it for 10 years, my energy is going up even higher. I want to be even more involved. I want to trade more. Man, I love crypto for everything that it's done for me. I am so grateful. And I can't wait to see you guys in the Discord group and in the course as well. See you there. Take care.